Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using this service. In this video, we're taking a look at VMedia, a Canadian telecommunications company found at www.vmedia.ca/en/. This company offers a range of services, spanning internet access, television packages, and even home phone options. Their website, accessible in English at the address mentioned, provides a comprehensive overview of their offerings. Navigating to vmedia.ca/en allows potential customers to explore the specifics of each service, including various internet plans with differing speeds and data allowances. Additionally, they offer a selection of TV packages, catering to diverse entertainment preferences. From basic cable to more extensive channel lineups, VMedia strives to provide options for every viewer. For those still reliant on traditional communication methods, VMedia also offers home phone services. The website, accessible at www.vmedia.ca/en, details the features and pricing of these services. It's worth noting that VMedia operates within Canada, providing services to a wide range of communities. If you're looking for a telecommunications provider in Canada, VMedia, located online at www.vmedia.ca/en, may be worth considering. They offer internet, television, and home phone services, all accessible via their website. Remember to visit www.vmedia.ca/en to learn more about their packages, pricing, and availability in your area. They emphasize providing flexible and customizable options, allowing customers to tailor their services to their specific needs and budget. Further details regarding their customer service and technical support can also be found on their site. So, whether you're seeking high-speed internet, a robust TV package, or a reliable home phone line, consider exploring the offerings presented by VMedia at www.vmedia.ca/en/. They aim to offer competitive pricing and reliable service, making them a potentially viable option in the Canadian telecommunications market. Be sure to check out the description for more information and links related to VMedia.